morning. Ayan, mag-harvest naman tayo ng... We're going to harvest eggplant. What are you saying? Yeah. Are you ready to harvest some eggplant?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it then. Ayan, ang daming butterfly. So, ayan ang eggplant natin, guys. So, can you grab what I'm going to harvest here, baby, please? Here. Here, and then you put in our bucket. See? There.
What's this?
Yeah. You just... No, not that one, Han. This one. But be careful not to poke yourself. There.
Okay.
Yeah. You bring the bucket here, anak. And then, ito, medyo matigas. So, we're going to harvest them. Ayan.
Here you go.
Yeah, and there's more here, see?
Wow, lots.
Yeah, we have a few here, eh? And then, this one is matigas. So, ready to harvest too. Look at Bebe. She's enjoying the harvest, this one.
Oh, yeah, Mommy.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
Medyo malambot pa yan. And I think this one too. See, this one is it's a bit hard, so we can harvest that. Ang daming bees, eh? And butterflies. Okay, let's go to that side. See that side? There's more here. Here.
Mommy,
I'll show you. See, there's a huge here. Big one. Look it. Okay. There.
I can see.
You cannot see, eh? It's okay. There, see?
Oh, it's like Daddy.
Yeah. It's big like Daddy, eh?
Yeah, it's like Daddy's tummy.
Yeah, I agree with you. It's like
It's
Daddy's.
cute.
Yeah, there's more here.
It's like,
See? There.
it's bigger.
Yeah, it's bigger too, eh?
Yes.
And look, there's more here. See?
Ooh.
This is big.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, baby. Ayan. Okay, there. There you go. Okay. Oh, you have lots of collections there.
What? This
Yeah, eggplant collections.
one? Mommy, get this?
Oh, not that one. Oh yeah, there's more there. And this one, medyo matigas siya, eh. Yan. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Hold on. Okay, 1, 2. Ready?
4.
There. 4. Oh, be careful not to step on the plants. Okay.
You got me now.
And there's one here.
Ooh.
Stay there. Don't step on the plants. And nag-enjoy yung maliit. Ayan. Okay, this one. There.
This.
Yeah, that one. Oops. Careful not to step on them. Okay. And then there's one here. You can go there. That side. I think there's one here.
Ooh,
Oh, there's this one because matigas na. See? Grab it.
Butterfly. Why butterfly?
There. Oopsie daisy. Yan.
Mommy,
Look at
get
that.
to put
Careful
this.
with the plants, baby. See? Not to step on them, okay?
Why not?
Well, okay. I think that's it. We have a few there. Okay, we'll grab that one. The harvest. Here. So, ito yung harvest natin.
It's heavy. Why?
Yeah. How about if we go and harvest the zucchini? We go harvest the zucchini. Yan.
Yeah, it's
So, ito yung
heavy.
harvest natin, guys. Ayan.
It's too heavy.
Is it? Yeah. Okay.